This must be IKEA. According to Wikipedia, it says a lot of people have died out of here because of some unexpected monster.
Melon, stop believing everything you see on the internet.
This might as well be the best place to stay at.
Yeah.
Few moments later.
I might as well act like I work here.
Can I please buy a cake?
That will be 150. Guys, go grab this dude the cake.
Thank you.
3 days later.
I guess it's time to close.
Who did this